Hello Driving Intelligence community. Why are Abe and I sitting out in my boat with my GoPro sitting on top of my tripod on top of my boat cover? Well, that's because Kemimoto, one of my sponsors, product sponsors, asked me to review another one of their products. It's a boat cover support system. This sets up underneath your boat cover, holds it up in the air, and prevents the boat cover from sitting on top of your vinyl. Now, the reason this is important for me is that I got a lot of rain last season, didn't get enough use out of the boat. I got all kinds of mold and mildew all throughout the vinyl. Hopefully, getting this thing up elevated will allow more airflow underneath the cover, get the moisture out of it, and stop that mildew. Stay tuned. The contents include the upper and lower pads that attach to the pole. The pads screw onto the pole, providing a nice large base for pole and boat cover support. They also provide 4 straps that tie off strategically around the boat to support the boat cover. This is better than most supports on the market that require you to get under the cover to push the pole into place, and normally it's not very stable. You can see how the straps attach through the slots. I've taken it back to the rings that are on the back on the transom, and then also the front ring on the front of the boat. So now I've got a good support for the boat cover that I can put on now. You have to set these to the proper tension initially. You can see it kind of vibrating in the wind, but I think that this should be good enough to hold up the boat cover once I get it on there. There's a look from outside the boat. You can see how I've attached it to that front eyelet on the bow, all the way across the boat, because I want it holding that cover up the entire way, and to the 2 rings on the back on the transom. Boat cover's on top of the Kemimoto support device, and it's definitely a lot higher. This would have been way down here. That would have been sitting on the engine box. So it's definitely a big change. It's going to keep a lot of the mildew off a lot of the vinyl. I really like that. Incidentally, even though I've got a covered dock here, you want to know why I keep a cover on this boat? It's because all these little specks here are not mildew, that's spider. So I don't like spider on my boat, and I just want to make sure that that spider stays off of it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I've got the link for this boat support below. Take a look at it. See you next time on Driving Intelligence.